Welcome to the channel. Today, we're tackling the pronunciation of the word encryption. It might seem straightforward, but let's break it down for clarity. The correct pronunciation is encryption. First, we have N, which sounds like the N in end. Then, crip, where it sounds like crip in cripple. Next, shun, where shun sounds like shun in function. Let's put it all together slowly. Encryption. Now, repeat after me. Encryption. A little faster. Encryption. And at full speed. Encryption. Keep practicing, and soon you'll have it down. Now that you've nailed the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Encryption is the process of converting information or data into a code, especially to prevent unauthorized access. It's widely used in computer security to protect sensitive information. That's it. Now you know how to pronounce encryption and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with others, and comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.